In this video, you will see how we do our short trips to Disneyland as season pass holders. Today, we'll show you a sneak peek of Tiana's Bayou Adventure, Runaway Railway in Toontown, and the Jungle Cruise, Rise of the Resistance, Pirates of the Caribbean, and the Haunted Mansion, to name a few. Here we are at the Best Western Plus Anaheim Inn down by Disneyland, obviously Anaheim, California. Room's pretty spacious, not too bad. It's got all the amenities, it's got plugs on all the lamps, got a nice TV, microwave, refrigerator, plenty of storage. Little vanity bathroom area. Actually got some decent coffee for you. Lots of little packets, maybe some tea, air conditioning unit, and the bathroom, which is fairly large because I think we're in the handicap room. Still, nice size. And off to Disneyland we go. Welcome to Disneyland. Obviously it's nighttime. Just got through security. Now we're in the middle. We're actually going to head down to the walk to get some food. Well, at least the lines don't look too bad. It is what, 5:30 right now? On a Saturday. Well, down here needed to stop and get some pizza, of course. It's not the greatest. I think it's Napolina Pizzeria, and it's here on the walk, and I would not recommend this pizza, but it's quick and easy, so what the hell.
That's a little bit of Disney house right there.
Yo, here we are at Disneyland at night. It's like 6 o'clock, 6:30. Just ate some nasty ass pizza, but hey, we're gonna come in and check this out and see how many people here on a Saturday night. Catch you back later. Please, if you're enjoying this video, hit subscribe and like and ring that bell to get more of our great videos. Okay, so we've already checked into the hotel and now we've entered Disneyland. So our plan is always, hey, let's go hit a couple areas and then get out of here. So because it's the night before and we're going to come back to Disneyland tomorrow, today we just picked a couple things like Rise of the Resistance and maybe Pirates. So the first place we're heading to is Pirates of the Caribbean. And of course, this is one of our favorite rides. We like to do this one all the time, every time we come.
Waiting to board. Set culture together and keep it moving.
It's the treasure map for sure and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel
Steve Seaman, look here, over here. Easy boy. Here.
As a career, what can be more rewarding? Drink up and be part of the show home. I humbly accept this magnificent treasure as my reward for a life of fidelity. And reflect.
Next favorite, the Haunted Mansion. How can you go wrong with the Haunted Mansion? Especially when it's dressed up for Christmas.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my cool love gave to me 5
Please hurry back. We can't wait till next year. And I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight.
On our way over to Toontown, passing by It's a Small World, which is closed, they're prepping for Christmas. Now on to Runaway Railway, which will be our first time on this ride.
Like electric. Just like the Star Wars one.
We have to stop them before they go over the...
Whoa! Ready and... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all melting so beautifully together.
Okay, for the Runaway Railway, even though it's in Toontown and it is a kid's ride, it was pretty cool. And it's set up a lot like the Rise of the Resistance, so you kind of go off on your own direction and rolling around. So definitely something you should go check out. And if you're there, make sure you go on it. Okay, it's time for Rise of the Resistance. And disclaimer, this is my first time. And it did not disappoint, so you have to go on it if you've never been on it.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep?
What? Star
They're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Take cover, recruits! The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's
Look, Beck here. Beck! You're alive. I should hope so.
A quick stop for some treats, and then we were going to find a spot to watch the fireworks. Unfortunately, they said that there was high winds, so they weren't going to do the fireworks, but they moved forward with the light show, which was still spectacular. All right, next day off to Disneyland again. We got up early and at 7 o'clock because we were season pass holders, and this was the first weekend for the Tiana's Bayou Adventure. We got in the queue for that and got in the queue for the Haunted Mansion again, and we're off to Disneyland. So this morning we are already in the queue for Tatiana's Bayou, new log ride thing, and the Haunted Mansion, so we don't need to run anywhere and get in line. Now, disclaimer, we do have season passes, and what we do is we like to come down here for, get here at 8 o'clock when it opens, and then we're usually gone by 1 o'clock. We end our day over at California Adventure, getting a beer and some pizza. If you watch any of our videos, everything we do is about pizza. Alright, so the train station, they're redoing, and they've caught on to what Rome and Italy do. They put a picture of it around it, so it looks like it's there, instead of being ugly for the construction. Last night, they didn't do fireworks, but they did do the light show spectacular. Apparently there was too much wind up above. It was not windy down here at all. They are in the process of transitioning to Christmas, so Christmas stuff is starting to pop up. How do you feel about that, Jody?
I like seeing all the Christmas decorations at Disneyland. I love people watching, and it's a nice, cool morning today, and this is fun. Thanks.
I forgot to put record. Just kidding. Jungle Cruise.
I need your attention. I need everyone's attention. Please, your attention. We need your attention. Just make sure I'm not in it. My mom thinks I'm a lawyer. I flunked out. I didn't pass the bar. the bar above your head. Look up. Señorita, look up. That's that bar, yeah. That's first up. She has been showering there for 69 years. That's what happens when you sing good. Now we get sick all the shock. Oh! My car! Look what they did to my car. They left it running. Now never turn over. At least it's not on fire. That's the African elephant. Does anyone know the difference between the African elephant or the Indian elephant? Wow. No one knows. It's easy. Thanks, finally. Right over here we have the oldest animals in the jungle, the zebras. They are so old, they're still in black and white. And they're having one for breakfast. Hide. Hide, they like to eat zebras like your neck. Hey, Skip! What are you doing up there? Get down from there! That's Skipper Felix. He's in charge of the VIP group here at the Jungle Cruise. So if you want to put your own VIP tour, be careful. No. Those are chimps, not monkeys. I can tell you the difference, but it's a long sale. If you want to buy a boat and top off. Just be thankful it's not a fire sale. Imagine that. One, the only, the famous eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water! O2H! Oh my God. Have legs inside the boat at all times. Watch your little ones. Make sure you are sitting down. Only a crazy person stands in the boat. I enjoyed that take.
We did go by the cantina in Star Wars area, or land. If you've never been there, you should definitely go by, but if you've been there, you know how expensive it is for a drink, so we probably won't go back. What up, R2? I give him a high five, but
I know. This should make him one.
Probably does. Pretty real. So after waiting all the way up to about 1 o'clock for Tiana's Bayou Adventure, it kept breaking down and the queue kept going on hold. So we basically got tired of waiting and we were really hungry, so it was off to California Adventure for our best and greatest adventure of all, pizza and beer. Alright, here we go with pizza and beer after our long trek from Disneyland. But it's well worth it. This is our spot to go to after our short stint over there. We come over here, we get our food and drinks, and then we head home. Home. There it is. Don't forget to check out more videos. Thanks for watching.